feels and looks way better since I conditioned it.
Like I miss him, he just came out of prison. He talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nikki M. I'm in a sticky Benz. That means candy apple red. I'm Barbie. This is Fendi fact. I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom made. Donatella sent me that. Fill up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you feel lonely. Fill up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you feel lonely.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Keandra back with another YouTube video. Do y'all notice the different lighting? Like, your girl finally got her ring light. But in this video, I will be reviewing some Unice hair off of Amazon. The shipping was really fast. Took 2 days because I have Amazon Prime. And it comes in this box right here. Just looks like this. And I got a 13x6 body wave unit in 20 inches. And I already felt it and all that because when I first got it, I was thirsty. So in the box, you're gonna find your wig. They give you this like braided little headband thing going on, and they give you 2 black wig caps and a little like card in here, basically showing you how to care for your hair and how to wash it and all of that good stuff. So we're about to get into this wig. Comes in this plastic bag like this. Excuse my appearance because I'm obviously finna get ready to install this wig, and y'all can see my braids and all that. I don't care though. But the wig came in a net, and it came in some of this tissue paper. So this is what the unit looks like. Super duper soft. I remember that off bat. Super soft. This is what the frontal looks like. It's basically like a closure with edges because you can't really part it like over here. But this is the cap construction. You get 4 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 on the top and 1 in the back, and then you get the adjustable straps. The unit kind of looks pre-plucked. No, is it? I don't know. That's what it looked like. And I will be installing this on camera for you guys. First I'm gonna bleach the knots. I'm gonna do that off camera just to save some time. I am getting some shedding the back here. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I got about like 3 to 4 strands right now, running my hands through it. And a couple more strands. So she is shedding a little bit, but I'm gonna keep y'all updated. When they reached out to me, I was so excited and shocked. I heard so many good things about their hair and everything, and they are a really popular company, so I'm really happy and thankful for Unice choosing me to review their hair. Thank y'all so much for sending me the unit, and I'm gonna see y'all after I bleach the knots and wash the hair. Okay, y'all, whatever was making this hair soft, as soon as it hit the water, it don't look that bad, but it doesn't feel like it did. It doesn't feel soft anymore. So I wanted to come in and elaborate a little bit on what I was saying. Y'all can actually see in this clip what I mean. Like towards the bottom of the hair, y'all be able to see that some of the texture changed in the hair. Now, it wasn't all of the hair that felt this way, but y'all can kind of see the difference between the pieces that remained how they were and then the pieces that look like the texture changed. So I just wanted to come in and say that it wasn't all of the hair, but I did notice some parts of the hair felt just off and didn't feel like the rest of the hair. So I just wanted to come in and say that because that's what I noticed while I'm washing hair. I did accidentally bleach some of the roots on the hair, and I'm gonna have to fix that. But yeah, I just wanted to say, like, now that I'm getting ready to wash it, it lost that soft feeling. Hopefully, when I condition it, though, it'll come back. We'll see, though. We'll see. Okay, So I'm back from washing the hair, and the conditioner did help the hair get back soft. Cause I told y'all when I started rinsing it with the water to get ready to wash it, it just did not feel good. Now it feels and looks way better since I conditioned it. So this is what it's looking like, and I bleached the heck y'all out of my roots, but I'm gonna find a way to fix that. I can right now. I'm just gonna go through and pluck the hair. Your girl fixed her over bleached knots. Look at that. And all I used was mascara and a wand. Period. So I don't feel like doing the ball cap method, so I'm gonna just put the makeup on my cap. This is how the hair look. At inches in a minute, yo. I ain't gonna know how to act. So I'm back, and your girl slayed her freaking frontal. Okay, do you hear me though?